Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing a VR for Southern Sandy Crafts. She is hosting a 500 subscriber challenge, and this is my entry. So she had several options, one of them being a VR. I've chosen to do a Twinchy and Xmas theme with embellishments. So I recently picked up this little paper pack from the Hobby Lobby clearance, and I thought this would be perfect to use since it was already out and I didn't have to pull down my Christmas supplies. So I wanted to create flat mail to send this out. So I just made a card, very simple, using a piece of paper from that paper pad. And what I've done is on the inside, I've just created pockets to be able to put all of my embellishments. So on this side of the card, this is just my little note to her, so that's in there. But I used some of the Tim Holtz dies and kind of patchworked this little bird, and then I've added some Christmas sentiments on the side because she said she's a new crafter and she's building up her Christmas stash. And then on this Tim Holtz snowman, it says over the river and through the woods. So I've layered these up so they're pretty thick, and hopefully she will find use in her holiday crafts for those. And they just slip in this little belly band that I made on this side. And then over here, I used this little pocket die from, I think it was from Sizzix. And it just like creates little slips for you to be able to slide things in. So I've created these 2 Christmas tags. And these 2 polar bears. And these little 2 Christmas trees that were just the negatives from the tags. And over here, I just made this little pocket die with one of my dies. And inside, I've made these cute little deer heads. And I just paper pierced different pattern papers on the antlers. And those fit in there just perfectly. And then over here, I have just included a little sequin mix. It's little Christmas lights. And then in here, I made this little pocket, and this is my Twinchy, which I had to look up to see what that was. I've never made one of these before, but it is a 2x2 card. And so I just have some thicker cardboard on the back and some pattern papers, and these were a little Sizzix old school tree die, and then I just used some stickles to glitter them up, and then some little word stickers, and then I included some information on the back. So this is the project that I'm sending out. I will link Sandy's channel down below. Sandy, congratulations on your subscribers. I hope you like my holiday themed entry and you will be able to use it for your holiday crafts come December. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. Have a great day.